Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening a new doc. Name the document clearly so you can find it later. Once done, set margins, add a header, and write a concise questionnaire title. You should plan question types now: multiple choice, short answer, Likert scale, because that affects layout and inline controls. Make sure to sketch question order and any required fields. This reduces rework when you add tables, checkboxes, or section breaks. You will now create the actual questions and layout in the doc. Start by inserting a 2-column table for questions versus answers. This keeps alignment consistent. Once done, add checkbox elements via insert special characters or use Unicode boxes for fast printing. Use heading styles for each section so you can create a navigation outline. Make sure to add page breaks between sections when questions are long. Also, apply consistent font sizes and spacing so the questionnaire scans easily on paper or screen. You finish by proofreading every prompt, testing sample answers, and confirming instructions are clear. Then set print-friendly margins and line spacing. Once done, export the document as a PDF for distribution or share the doc link with specific view or comment permissions so respondents cannot alter the master. Make sure to save a version history snapshot. If layout shifts when printing or exporting, check table cell padding and line spacing, adjust them and re-export. This fixes most misalignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.